This is the Wiha BiCut cutter. Some call them diagonal cutters. It's offered in 3 different styles. This is the standard. They make one with an ergonomic handle and one for 10,000 volts. And as you can see, the tool measures about 8 inches. In normal operation, you can see it pivots right on this circle here, or this pivot point on the tool, which is fine. And if you go and try and cut chain, for example, it won't cut it. But when you push this power button right here on the side of the tool, it changes the pivot point back here, gives you more leverage. So we can try and cut the chain again. Cuts it easily. Also cut nails. And it's very sharp. The paper. You can push it back and it goes back to normal operation. Very nice tool from Wiha.